Hello dear children, today we are going to learn about the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is used for typing the applications. Microsoft Word is very important software in the field of education. How to open the Microsoft Word? It's very simple. Click on the window button or start button. Click on the program options. Choose the Microsoft Office and click on Microsoft Word. Many different ways are also there to open the Microsoft Word. For example, you may able to see the Word icon on desktop. Double click on the icon, the Microsoft Word file will open. You may able to see the shortcut on the status bar. Double click on the icon, the Microsoft Word will open. In Microsoft Word screen, you will able to see the blue bar which is called the title bar. Document 1 is the default file name in Microsoft Word. If you like to make a new file, select the new option from the file menu, select the blank document and click on the start or create button. Click on the create button. You will get the new Word file. Type your text, format it with the help of different tools like the font style, font color, size, bold, italic, underline, alignments, right alignment, left alignment, central alignment, justify alignment. With the help of these all tools, you are free to format the text. You are free to make the text attractive with the help of these all tools. If you want to type a mathematical equations, you are free to get the equation option from the insert menu. Select the proper equation and type it using mathematical symbols. Means with the help of equation option, we are able to type the mathematical equations. How to save the file? Click on the Office button. Click on Save As option. Save As dialog box will appear. Give the file name and click on the Save As button. The file will save on hard disk. How will you identify? You will able to get the name of file. How to open the file? Click on the Office button. Click on Open option. You will able to get the Open dialog box. Select a particular file which you like to open and click on the Open button. The file will open. Now let's begin the next application software, nothing but the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used for calculations. It is very important software for mathematical calculations. We can use the different formulas easily and we can save the time as well as the hard work also. How to open the Microsoft Excel file? It's the same. You click on the window button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel screen will be appeared. Here also same, first title bar you will get, menu bar, different menus are present on the menu bar, then toolbars, and then the cell, the working plus. In this software, the book 1 is the default file name. Click on the icon on desktop, select the new and the blank option from the file menu. Type the information which is to be used to draw the graph on the sheet on the screen. After you have finished the typing, select the information and click on the required graph in the insert menu if you like to draw the graph. It's very simple method in the Excel. You will able to draw the graph within seconds. Analyze the information with the help of graph. What precautions will you take when entering data? As far as possible, the data should be kept in the tabular form. Different types of data should be entered in different cells. Many times we drag and fill data. At such times, the smart tag can be used after drag data to fill any data in any manner as required. Once the data has been entered, it can be formatted in different ways. While using the formula, the equal sign should be typed first. Similarly, no space should be inserted while typing any formula. Now our next software is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint software is used for presentation purposes. How to open the Microsoft PowerPoint? The steps are very simple. Click on the window button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft PowerPoint. The PowerPoint software or screen will be appeared. This is the way. Another ways are also there. Okay, shortcuts are also there. For example, you may able to get the shortcuts or icon of PowerPoint software on the desktop. Double click on the icon. The Microsoft PowerPoint software will be appeared or displayed on the screen. If you like to make a new file, then you have to click on the Office button, select the new option from the list and click on the blank slide. Type the information you need on the blank slide and insert the pictures. It's of your choice. Use the design tab to design your slide. These options also we have. Use the animations from the animation tab and make the slide more attractive. In Microsoft presentation software, presentation 1 is the default file name. So in Microsoft Word we are using the word document 1 as a default file name. In Excel, book 1 is a default file name. Presentation 1 is the default file name. In Word, we are using the pages. In Excel, we are using the sheet. And in presentation, we are using the slide. These are the differences, basic difference between all these three softwares. Information communication technology is used for the demonstration purposes. Some experiments and concepts in science can be demonstrated easily and effectively by using animation. For example, functioning of the nervous system. If teacher like to demonstrate, teacher will use the animated videos. Teacher will use the ICT. ICT is also used for the prediction. Predictions can be made after compiling and processing information. For example, meteorology. ICT is also used for collecting scientific information through the internet, emails, news groups, blogs, video conferencing, and so on. Let's begin the new topic, opportunities in the field of computer. Software field, hardware field, marketing, and many more. Let's begin with the software field. So software is an important field having accepted the challenge of creating software. Many companies have entered in software field. The opportunities in the software field can be classified as application program development, software package development, operating system and utility development, and special purpose scientific applications. Today, there are several companies in our country which make computers. They sell computers. They have themselves to make. Others sells computers brought from outside as well as repair them and take maintenance contracts to keep computers in big companies working efficiently without a break. Plenty of jobs are available in the field of hardware. There are opportunities in hardware designing, hardware production, hardware assembly and testing, hardware maintenance, servicing and repair. Marketing. There are many establishments which make and sell computers and related accessories. They need good sales personnel who are experienced in working of computers as well as skilled in marketing. This is all about the opportunities in the field of computer. And the last about CDAC. CDAC stands for Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It's located in Pune. It's the leading institute in India which conducts research in the field of computers. The first Indian supercomputer was made with the help of CDAC. Valuable guidance for making this computer, Param computer, was received from the senior scientist Vijay Bhatkar. Param means supreme, and Param computer can perform 1 billion calculations per second. It is used in many fields. Param computer is used in many fields like space research, movements in interior of the earth, research in oil deposits, medicines, meteorology, engineering, military, and so on. CDAC has also participated in developing the ISRO